South African sanibonani. Niyabona ukuthi wonke ama-political parties amasha akhandwayo njengamanje. Wonke akhandwa against ama-foreigner. Bayazi ukuthi abantu base-South Africa mawukwakhuluma ukuthi ama-foreigner abuyele emakhaya, ababuyele back la ababuya khona, then uzothola amavote. After uthola amavote uyazi ukuthi awuna solution yokuthi ubuyisele labantu back emuva. Sebevotile abantu. Manje ngikhuluma nje manje MK ikhipha statement sokuthi ayilithande leli gama elithi ama illegal foreigners ngoba licwasa abafethu bokufika bonke laba bantu bangama-Afrika bangabokufika la bangama-Afrika. Okukutshelani lokho? Kukutshela ukuthi iMK iyazi ukuthi ayina solution yokuthi ixoshe laba bantu ningabafuni. Ngokuthi bafuna ukuthenga amavote bazothi bafuna ukuxosha ama-foreigners. Into engeke yenzeke. I-EFF ize ne-solution ukuthi ukuze ucontrol laba bantu, ukuze ukhona ukwazi ukuthi ubani ukuphi, ubani wenzani, documenta laba bantu uzokwazi ukumcontrol. So bathina hayi i-EFF imela ama-foreign. Ubani ongamela ama-foreign? Ngoba akekho umuntu one-solution yalento ama-foreign. Uyabona ukuthi kudlalwa ngani? Aniboni kodwa. Wonke umuntu ozofika ethi uxosha nazi operation Dudula na ibhizi kuthiwa kuxosha ama-foreign. Into engeke ayizukubasiza ngaluthi izophelela ubala lento le. Bazonathi bangathola amavoti nabo bakhohlwe njenge-MK. MK ikhohliwe manje ukuthi yayithe ama-foreigner awahambi. I-solution abanayo. Iyodwa solution i-EFF izena. Yathi documenta laba bantu uzokhona ukubalawula. Uzokhona ukwazi ukuthi ubani ubuya kuliphi izwe ula eSouth Africa ngokwenzani. But ngokuthi nivalwa amehlo MK ngathi hayi siyovotela umkhonto uzokhipha bonke labantu babuyele emakhaya. Uthini umkhonto manje?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhodi we-EFF uthi leti inhlangano letincane letifika kodwa letifika ngeligama lokuthi tifuna kuqosha ama-foreigners la South Africa baya ukuthi mabasho njalo they will get inqumbi yabantu labatofuna kuvotela leyo nhlangano leyo because bantu bafuna ama-foreigners ahambile la South Africa. But honestly speaking abanaso naso strategy sokuqosha ama-foreigners, abanayo indlela yokuqosha ama-foreigners la South Africa. Bayatikhulumela nje because they know ukuthi mabangasho njalo they'll get amavote yesana. Uthi yena as EFF bathi bona asingawaqoshi ngibavele ngesikhona kwaqosha asiwa adocumenteni ma-foreigners sitokhona kwadi kokuthi sibani ukuphi uhlala kuphi, and that is something lama South Africans angayifuni. South Africans are actually saying ukuthi bafuna ama-foreigners ahambe, abafuni nje indaba yokuthi ama-foreigners awa-document anike amaphepha because people are saying ukuthi uma kungentwa njalo ama-foreigners adocumentwe atofika ngebunyende la South Africa because they know ukuthi uma bafika la South Africa tofika babaniketa impepha bahlale eSouth Africa ngaloku semthethweni. So bantu nje basho ukuthi lokho kutosidonsela mkhokha kuyowenda ukuthi onke ama-foreigners afuna ukudala South Africa knowing ukuthi batobanika ama-documents. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.